Hello, gals and guys, and welcome back to The Big Sweep, your go-to channel for all cleaning solutions, conventional or unconventional. Today, we're ditching the harsh chemicals and expensive store-bought products. We're all about saving money and the environment here, so get ready to learn some unconventional cleaning solutions for those everyday household items that always seem to get you down. Give us a thumbs up if you're ready to unleash your inner cleaning ninja, and don't forget to subscribe to The Big Sweep for more awesome cleaning hacks. While you're at it, ring that notification bell so you never miss a future episode. Leave us a comment below telling us which solution is your favorite. Let us know if you have any unconventional cleaning solutions of your own. All right, let's get cleaning. Number 1. Cleaning grimy oven grates. Let's face it, oven grates are the bane of everyone's existence. They get caked with grease and grime, and scrubbing them with harsh chemicals is no fun. Well, say goodbye to backaches and hello to a surprisingly effective solution: laundry detergent. Yes, you heard that right. Grab yourself a box of your favorite laundry detergent, powdered works best, and some baking soda. In a large sink or bathtub, mix equal parts of each with enough hot water to create a thick paste. Submerge those grimy grates completely and let them soak for at least a few hours, or even overnight for the toughest jobs. The baking soda will loosen the baked-on grease, and the laundry detergent will cut through grime. Once they've soaked, simply rinse the grates with hot water and a scrub brush. You'll be amazed at how easily that stubborn grease comes off. This works for stovetop grates too. Number 2. Cleaning burnt pots and pans. Speaking of burnt-on messes, who hasn't accidentally left a pot on the stove a little too long? Don't throw it away just yet! We can tackle those burnt-on bits with something you probably already have in your pantry: white vinegar. Fill the burnt pot with enough white vinegar to cover the burned area. Bring the vinegar to a boil on the stovetop. Be careful of the fumes, so open a window for ventilation. Once the vinegar comes to a boil, let it simmer for about 10 minutes. The vinegar will loosen up the burnt food particles, making them much easier to remove with a spatula or scouring pad. For extra stubborn messes, you can sprinkle some baking soda on the affected area after the vinegar soak and let it sit for a bit before scrubbing. White vinegar is a natural disinfectant too, so you can be sure your pots are clean and germ-free. Number 3. Cleaning cloudy drinking glasses. Ever notice your glasses starting to look cloudy, even after washing them with dish soap? This can be caused by hard water minerals. Luckily, there's a simple solution: white vinegar and lemon juice. Fill a bowl with equal parts white vinegar and lemon juice. Let your cloudy glasses soak in the mixture for about 30 minutes. The vinegar will dissolve the mineral deposits, and the lemon juice will act as a natural bleach to brighten your glasses. After soaking, rinse the glasses thoroughly and buff them with a dry microfiber cloth for a sparkling finish. This same trick works on car windshields and stainless steel appliances to remove water spots and streaks. Number 4. Cleaning upholstery stains. Life happens, and sometimes accidents occur. Don't panic if you spill something on your upholstery. We can tackle those fabric stains with a common household item: club soda. For fresh spills, blot up as much of the liquid as possible with a clean, absorbent cloth. Don't rub, as this can spread the stain. Then grab a can of club soda. The carbonation in club soda helps lift stains from fabric. Gently dab the stain with the club soda, working from the outside of the stain inwards to prevent spreading. You can also use a clean spray bottle to distribute the club soda more evenly. For stubborn stains, you can sprinkle a light amount of baking soda on the affected area after using the club soda. Leave the baking soda to sit for about 30 minutes to absorb any lingering odors. Then, simply vacuum up the baking soda when it's dry, with the upholstery attachment on your vacuum cleaner. Pro tip: always test any cleaning solution on an inconspicuous area of the upholstery first to make sure it doesn't cause discoloration. Number 5. Cleaning stainless steel appliances. Stainless steel appliances can look beautiful, but they're also prone to fingerprints and smudges. Ditch the harsh chemical cleaners and grab some olive oil. Put a small amount of olive oil on a microfiber cloth. Less is more here, you don't need a lot of oil. Wipe down your stainless steel appliances in the direction of the grain to buff out fingerprints and leave a streak-free shine. The olive oil acts as a natural polish and repels dust, so your appliances will stay cleaner for longer. This trick also works on chrome fixtures and faucets. Number 6. Cleaning your cutting board. Wooden cutting boards are essential kitchen tools, but they can also harbor bacteria if not cleaned properly. Skip the bleach and try this natural disinfecting solution. Lemon and salt. Cut a lemon in half. Sprinkle a generous amount of coarse salt onto the cutting board. Then, use the lemon half to scrub the board in a circular motion, allowing the coarse salt to act as an abrasive cleaner. The salt will help remove any stuck-on food particles and neutralize odors, while the lemon juice acts as a natural disinfectant. Once you're done scrubbing, rinse the board thoroughly with hot water and let it air dry completely before storing it. So next time you're faced with a cleaning challenge, think outside the box and see what solutions you can find lurking in your pantry. Before we carry on with our bonus solution, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you learned something new and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more awesome cleaning hacks. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future episodes. Let us know in the comments below which cleaning solution you're most excited to try. Also, let us know if you have any unconventional cleaning solutions of your own. Bonus solution: cleaning microwaves with steam. Microwaves are a lifesaver in the kitchen, but they can get splattered with food easily. Here's a quick and easy way to clean them using the power of steam. Fill a microwave-safe bowl with about a cup of water and add a few slices of lemon. The lemon will add a fresh scent while the steam loosens stuck-on food particles. Microwave the bowl on high for 2 or 3 minutes, or until the water boils and the window steams up. Let the microwave sit for a few minutes to allow the steam to work its magic. Carefully remove the hot water from the microwave. Then, simply wipe down the interior of the microwave with a damp cloth. The loosened food particles should wipe away easily. This is a great way to quickly clean your microwave without harsh chemicals. For tougher messes, you can repeat the process with a fresh bowl of water and lemon slices. These are just a few unconventional cleaning solutions that are effective, eco-friendly, and budget-friendly. Remember, the key is to find solutions that work for you and your home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.